In this video, I'm going to show you why I think this GoPro Creator Kit is a fantastic value. It also works wirelessly with my iPhone. I can upload footages and control the camera wirelessly. First of all, this bundle comes with three main components: the flashlight, the media mod, the grip or the tripod with the remote control and battery extension for the GoPro. It comes with the Enduro battery, which is cold weather resistant for extended recording time. With the built-in battery from the tripod or grip, you can get 4K recording for up to 4 hours. As you can see, it is already connected to the media mod. The media mod provides a lot of cool functionalities that allows for different accessories mounting. Let me show you. So first of all, I just took off the windshield, which protects the shotgun microphone from wind noise when I'm filming outside. So the media mod is really cool. I cannot recommend this part enough. So it comes with two cold shoe mounts. So I can mount optionally this one on the side and maybe a shotgun microphone on top or a wireless microphone. Here we got 3 ports. The first one is the micro HDMI input, which allows me to connect or output the HDMI signal to a full-size HDMI to connect to a TV, for example, or a proper video monitor. The second one is the USB Type-C connection for power, so I can plug it in like this to extend the runtime of the GoPro. The third port is the 3.5 microphone input, so I can get excellent audio or wireless recorder. For example, I'm gonna attach a Rode Wireless Go here. And I'll plug in the 3.5 millimeter headphone, the microphone input. So in this way, I can use this setup to record audio wirelessly. It doesn't matter how far I'm away from the GoPro. The shotgun microphone here, built-in one, has an excellent quality. You can record in the back or front. The GoPro itself can do 5.3K at 60 Hertz, at 60 FPS, or 4K at 120 frames per second. It is crazy. Now let me give you a quick demo of the light. I'm gonna turn off my video light. As you can see, it is very, very bright. Runtime at the maximum brightness is going to be 1.1 hour at 110 lumens. This is the maximum brightness. So I can comfortably film at night if I'm doing a selfie mode, for example, or shooting other scenes. As you can see, it is pretty good. Yeah, from here I can change. Actually, we'll come back to the GoPro in just a second, as I will talk about the grip. This grip is awesome. From the handle, I can press this mode button to switch from video to photo or to time lapse. And then just press this record button to start recording or stop recording, or take a photo or start shooting video. I just took a photo. Swipe up to see the photo I just took. Press once to check the battery status, and Bluetooth button for pairing. So to pair this Volta, swipe it down on the left, on the preference, wireless connection, connect device, and Volta, which is already connected. Yeah. And it also works excellent as a tripod, or it has a additional accessory mount on the side. I also forgot to mention that I can rotate it 360 degrees. Has a little tripod mounting screw, 1/4-inch screw that is universal. So here I don't really have to worry about battery life. As the built-in battery provides a very long time runtime, it can be charged using the included USB-C cable, and this cable you can use it and charge it at the same time. If I connect a charger like this, wall charger for example, or another battery bank, I can get even longer runtime or unlimited runtime. So with this setup, I can run indefinitely without any problem. It recharges at 5.1 volts, 1.7 amps. And my GoPro is charging right now. So pass-through charging is possible. Has a little hand strap, so making it less likely to lose it. So yeah, I really like this setup. It works fantastic. Then the app is pretty nice. Yeah, let me power it on again. It is still on. Okay, great. From the phone app, it allows me to upgrade the firmware. I'm not gonna do it now. I can monitor the charging status of the GoPro Hero 11 block, the remaining time of the SD card. I can download the footage from the GoPro, and it will join the Wi-Fi connection from the GoPro. Join. And I'll be able to download footage to the iPhone 14. And also does automatic upload if I have the GoPro subscription. I can also live stream from the GoPro here. It's currently downloading. I can switch different modes, time lapse, or the video photo mode. So basically it has everything I need to do on the phone. I can also change the camera settings or rename the camera from the app. The settings can be easily changed on the app. So if you think that screen is pretty tiny to go through all the settings there, this is the place to go. So the phone app is really, again, the core of the whole experience. So I can just take the shot, photo, video from here and edit them on my phone. Yeah. So these are the test shot I just took earlier. So 1 second recording, and the photo I just took. Yeah, this is a fantastic product. I like the GoPro Hero 11 a lot, and these additional accessories really enhanced the whole user experience and the way the video content was created. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.